Alright, so tell me your name again. I don't need to see the sign, I already know it. How many of you know what the goddamn sign says? How many of you don't? Alright, here's the deal. It's just you on guitar, and this is our second biggest hit for real. Are you sure you can do this? You sure? Alright, let's get him up here. Bring your fucking friend too. You come up here too. Come on. Bring this fucking guy.
Yeah, that's his liaison. He meets him. It's his handler.
Boy, this is gonna be.
Oh, they're going this way. Hey, there they are. They look nothing alike.
Hey, give it up for those two guys.
$40.
All right. Now, before we meet these guys, how many of you think this kid is gonna totally fuck this up? Fucking kill this fucking song. Let's see what happens. Now, that's his hype man. This is the hype guy. Wait, let me get the hype man over here. Come here. This is the hype man. What's your name? My name's Caleb. Caleb, fucking hype this guy up. Now, Caleb, introduce your friend to us. My friend, Alfie. Guys, this is Alfie. And you think Alfie's gonna kill this, right? Yes, no, yes. Jesus Christ. He said yes, no, maybe. It's like we're in 3rd grade and we just wrote a do you like me note.
I don't know. Can you repeat?
All right, let's introduce you. Tell everybody your name.
Alfie.
Already said that. Now, Alfie, can he hear himself? Go ahead. Oh, you got it. Okay. Now, Alfie, before we try, okay, that's your monitor over there. The only way you're going to be able to hear is if you near that, okay? Now, Alfie, holy shit, brother.
He's wearing the right shirt. That's gotta.
This is a big moment. It's a big moment. Should we bring your hype man in one more time? Yeah, okay. Get in here, let's hype this shit up! This guy's some beers. You start this fucking song, let's see what happens. Just fucking start. 100% not rehearsed. Who do you think we are? Green Day?
We didn't make you wait 17 minutes before we played.
They don't know that joke.
I said it real fast.
It's terrible when you do those.
You know what's not terrible?